Good morning, skaters. It's Saturday, the sun is shining, the tank is clean. Last week we learned how to Ollie. This week we're gonna learn how to perfect that Ollie. Here we go. Now what you're gonna wanna do, remember your foot placement. Your back foot is gonna go on the tail of the board where your front foot is gonna go right beneath the bolts. Now, what we're gonna be doing, different than last week, we're gonna focus on that back foot. We're gonna be pushing away from us as opposed to straight down. The reason this is because it pulls the board towards the foot that's sliding upward, and this gives you more lift. This is how you jump higher. Secondly, don't forget to lift your back foot just like you do with your front foot. Otherwise, you'll limit the board's ability to rise. Thirdly, find yourself a crack in the ground that you can use as a reference when you start to roll and jump. This is going to help you time your jumps to be able to hit obstacles like curbs or ramps or other things like that. Be strong, be vigilant, and remember that patience is the key. This won't come easy. You got to work at it. That's how we do. God bless you. I'll see you next time.